How to unread messages on Facebook Messenger. So in order to unread the message, what you can do is you can first head over and open your Facebook Messenger. So as you can see right here, I have in here a message with this person and it's already been read because there is no more blue dot right here. So what we can do is we can head over and then long press our conversation with that person and then click on this mark as unread. As you see right here, it will turn into bold characters and it will be marked as unread as well. However, what you can do as well is you can head over and then turn off your read status. You click on the three lines, click on your settings, and then from there scroll down until you can see in here some options that will help you. So we have in here this active status, and you can actually turn off your active status. Another option is to click on your name with this person and click on this eye icon and then scroll down. And then you can turn off this read receipts right here. That way you can read their messages, but it will still be marked as unread. So that's how you unread messages on Facebook Messenger. Hope we helped.